okay, on a medium flame. 1 spoon. Give this thing a try, We rise like. I hope you all are doing okay. Alright, this is a very quick and easy recipe for all of us. We are making Hungry Man frozen vegetable, and it's gonna be a perfect rice, the vegetable fried rice from the frozen vegetables of a Hungry Man. This is a pan. I put some water in here, basmati, 1 cup in hot water, okay? So once you add the cup of rice, strongly suggestion is to just spread it using all frozen vegetables. This is my 4th cup already in here. After adding 4 cups, add some water, half of it. Also, all my rice are at least soaking in the water. Initially I had hot water, and now I added some cold water right on top of it. Cook these rice on the highest flame possible until the water gets boiling and the water disappears. I'm gonna rinse this rice, and then we're gonna work on the recipe. This is the 4 baking cups of rice. I added 1 liter of water. So right here, guys, this is all here. I think my pan is too small for this recipe. I mean, I still have to add the vegetables in it, so here it is. This is all basmati rice. We have cooked it at least for, I guess, 15 minutes, all of it, So let's rinse the rice right now. So this is my rinse basket. I'm gonna add all the rice right here. So all the starch, extra starch from the rice, we're gonna just rinse it. So here it is. We're gonna rinse the rice with some cold water. You can use hot water, it doesn't matter, but I would suggest use the cold water. The cold water helps the rice to stay intact. All 4 cups of partially half-boiled rice are ready. Okay, I'm gonna add it here. This is our pan again. I'm using the same pan. I'm using olive oil. So I'm adding at least 8 spoons of olive oil in here. So I'm giving a whole layer at the bottom. These are sliced onions. So I'm using 1 handful of onions, sliced onions, all in here. These are all sliced, as I said. I'm gonna add a little more just for the taste, So these are all onions. We have 10 peeled garlic, 10 to 12 whole cloves of garlic. Stir at least for 5 minutes on a highest flame possible. These are all our ingredients. Asian Melody. This is mixed vegetables. I'm adding at least, if I was using this cup, I would have told you use at least 2 cups of it. These are all 2 cups of mixed vegetables from the frozen section. These are partially chopped, I would say. Let me use my cup so it makes a sense at the moment. So you guys think it's a whole cup? There you go. It's more than a. So this is a whole cup. It has broccoli, it has carrot. Give the stir mix with all the garlic and the onion. Let's stir fry this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of stir frying all these fresh vegetables. We will grab our rice partially boiled. So this is 1 spoon. Okay. This is 2nd spoon and a half. This was the biggest one, I'm using the 3rd one. Do you think it's enough? I think it's enough. Alright, so for your flavor, I'm adding 4 spoons. After partially cooked, once you partially cook the rice, it gets more. So 2 cups become at least 3.5. I'm using veggie broth. Before adding veggie broth, take some salt, add at least 1 spoon of the regular black pepper. So I'm taking whole veggie broth cup. This is a whole cup. I'm adding all in here. I'm taking another 1 broth. I'm adding all in here. This is the 3rd cup. Give it a stir. Take a closer look. All these vegetables, these are all frozen, but the way we cooked it, They are all fresh at this time. Give it a stir, healthy stir, you know. So you make sure everything gets mixed up, all the salts, all the pepper, and every single vegetable gets mixed up with the rice. 1 spoon of MSG on top of my rice. For a hungry man, we need the flavors. We need everything in there. Give it again a stir mix. Put this on a medium flame and let it cook at least for 15 minutes. I'll show you guys after 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. OMG, this is so hot. I can't even hold it. Whoo! It's hot. It's let's go. Turn off your stove. It's all done. Okay. The recipe, what I have shared with you guys, this is all what it is. OMG, look at this. Take a closer look of this thing. You know, this is basmati rice with all the vegetables. This is hungry man with the frozen vegetable fried rice. When I say hungry man, I mean it's a delicious recipe already right there. OMG. Let me just use my hand, take a bite. Like half of the world they use their hand to eat the rice. Woo! Alright, I'm taking a deeper spoon. I'm dishing it all in here. Take a look. Everything, every single kind of frozen vegetable you can find it. You see, we have even broccoli in here. We have carrots. We have garlic. We have every single item in the frozen vegetable section. We can get it ready made. Dude, this is like a dream come true kind of rice. So guys, give this thing a try, you know. Take a look here. I have a whole broccoli. I have a whole clove of garlic. This is all cooked. Let me show you how. This is a garlic. If you press it, bro, I mean it's cooked. I have a remainings of garlic right here. This should be a fantastic recipe. This is what it is. OMG, do try this recipe. Frozen vegetable fried rice for a hungry man. It has all the vegetables. I'm even putting this baby corn right here on top of it. This is the bite. Do try this recipe. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Take a look here. These are all roasted. I wish I had more of these in the rice. Hungry man, frozen vegetables, fried rice, right here. Bye bye for now.